Hi and welcome to this how-to about installing Dailymotion app in your smartphone. Go to Google Play or Apple App Store. In Google Play, choose Apps and here search for Dailymotion. Choose Dailymotion. Install. Confirm that you want to install. Which unit? And install. And now you simply wait for the installation to be finished, and after that you can configure the app in your smartphone. That was everything I have to show you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. If you are interested in how to install the package manager Synaptic on your computer, I have a clip about that. Thank you for your time.